Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain whether you can find someone's location using their phone number and the legal ways of doing so. So first of all, you need to understand that finding someone's location by their phone number is not something that you can directly unless you have the legal access to the tracking tools. However, there are some legitimate methods that you can use in order to locate a person if they shared their location permission with you. So one of the easiest ways to find someone's location is by using the built-in feature from Google, that is Google's Find My Device. So this is an application which you can download from Google Play Store or App Store, and the interface of it will look something like this. So with the help of this device, you can just find someone's location if that person has enabled the location sharing with you. Another best option is by using the messages apps like WhatsApp, Google Map or Snapchat, which allows users to share their real-time location with contacts. So if the person agrees, they can send their live location with you directly with the help of these application, and you can just open the location in the map. So if you are trying to find a lost phone, you can contact the mobile network provider as well. That might help you in this case, but they only provide the location details for legal and security reasons, such as in case of theft or missing person. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next one.